Well, I think long term it could be a good thing. It could create more sales, but the near term would be its pressure to the free cash flow. So I think people were looking for a higher target than maybe what would have been indicated. So they pulled their 2020 guidance. Stay tuned to October 11th, their analyst day, for an update on that. So speculation, how low is low if they're going to pull it back.
Wendy's tried to roll out breakfast nationwide before, a couple of times before. Why would this time be different?
How do you know this, Morgan?
She was the only person waiting outside.
Yeah, well, so I have a long history in fast food, and my dad is still right now a Burger King franchisee, so I pay attention to the space.
Okay.
For personal reasons.
So this is about the fourth time they've been going at it now for about 15 in the last 15 years. Prior, they tried to roll it out regionally. Now they're going to go, they told us this morning, 5,800 restaurants are going to roll it out very fast in 2020. So it'll probably have some national advertising support behind it. They're really going to commit to it for more than just let's see what goes for 1 year. They're going to go for multiple years trying to push this down. It's a tough category in that there's an established player in McDonald's with over 17% share.
Does it hurt McDonald's?
It does. I mean, you saw this 3 or 4 years ago when Taco Bell got in. Taco Bell is new to breakfast in the last 5 years, and they definitely took away the share that McDonald's took a couple of points from McDonald's, 2 to 3 points from breakfast.
McDonald's is trading down 4% today as well. It also announced its own, a third tech acquisition, its third one for the year. What do you think about that?
Well, since Easterbrook joined, he's been a little bit more forward-thinking, similar to Domino's, trying to get rewarded for tech investments. The stuff with investing technology, digital menu boards, at the drive-through line. Technology is the way to communicate with the younger generation, and I think it's a shift that they're all trying to up their game as far as the communication with the demographic.
You're also out with another note recently, U.S. coffee, the next beverage battleground. Quickly, what's the main takeaway there in the top pick in that space?
Well, there's a lot of innovation going on, so I think we're at an inflection point now in coffee where there's the opportunity as the umbrella from a healthier angle. The younger generation turns to coffee as a healthy alternative for energy. And I think there will be some brands. The conclusion from this report was that Starbucks is definitely a brand you want to be aligned with because of their brand equity with coffee and their authority with that. So both in their store as well as in multi-channels.
Steve, what do you think about this space? Any standout holdings for you?
Yeah, I mean, McDonald's was the poster child for success in the industry, and obviously on a year-to-date performance, there's others that have outperformed it. But when you talk about SKUs and drive-through and how much of a percentage of the business actually comes through drive-through, they're getting hit because of this value versus growth play in the last couple of days. But I think if that unwinds sooner rather than later, you start to see money flood back into McDonald's because, as the gentleman said, they are the ones that seem to be the most value added to your portfolio.